This is the Amazfit Active Max. I did not purchase this on my own. They just sent it to me to test. It uses their Zepp OS software, works with Android and iOS. Amazfit makes some really nice watches and people don't really know too much about it. They are the official watch for High Rocks. So if you plan to do High Rocks training or High Rocks races, they will have those built into all of their watches, which I really love. Let me know which High Rocks you plan to do down below. I want to do High Rocks New York City. This is what it comes in, #discoveramazing. All their watches will come with a little manual here, and then their chargers are really nice. It's just this little piece right here with 2 prongs, magnetic, space where the heart rate monitor is going to go, and then a USB-C port right here. So this is all you need to carry to charge your watch. Yes, it is smaller and might be easier to lose, but now I can just use my iPhone charger, my Android charger, and charge my watch. I don't have to worry too much. So this is the bands that it comes with. We've got one size. The bands styles are different based on the watch, which isn't ideal. We can go ahead. I know the T-Rex Ultra 2, which I recently got, different style band. I don't love this method where you have to actually put the prong in there and then slide this in, but this is still a great budget friendly watch that has a ton of features and it looks cool. It's clean. So I'll do some testing with GPS, heart rate, all that. Let me know in the comments what you want to see below. We'll get a full review on this watch. But now this is kind of what it looks like with the band. I love that it's got these holes. It's breathable, great for workout, great for fitness. It still looks sleek. It is pretty big. If I put it next to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you can see the size is similar. The thickness as well is pretty close. So it's not a small watch, but it is a powerful watch. That is the unboxing. Subscribe if you want to see future videos, and we'll have a link down in the description. If you do plan to buy it, click that link. It helps support the channel. Peace.